Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting core access ready, Excel 365 updated, an API key from your AI provider, and Power Query enabled. Once those are in place, create a secure place to store your key, Windows Credential Manager, or a protected config file. Then open the Developer tab and enable programmatic access so Excel can call the model. Make sure to note endpoint, model name, and rate limits. These matter for costs and latency. Finally, create a small test workbook to run your first API call. You'll now connect Excel to the model. Use Power Query to clean and structure data, remove personal info, and reduce rows with sampling if needed. Then build a lightweight wrapper, either VBA with WinHTTP or Office scripts calling fetch, compose JSON prompts, and include system instructions. Once done, send batched requests sized to rate limits and pay attention to token usage. Batching reduces cost and latency. When responses return, parse the JSON, map fields into new columns, and validate outputs against original rows to preserve alignment. You'll finish by automating and hardening the workflow. Schedule refreshes with Power Automate or a workbook macro, and lock secrets behind environment variables or credential manager. Make sure to add row-level checks and a validation step so bad responses don't overwrite source data. Also create a logging sheet that records each request, response, timestamp, and error code for audits. If things go wrong, first verify the API key and endpoint. Then inspect return JSON for schema changes. Often the fix is updating your parser or retry logic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.